Greetings, math friends. I'm going to be looking at doing the square root of 2 by hand. The first step to this is to break this number into groups of 2. 0, 2 is the same as 2, so that's my first group. I'm going to put a bar up here. I'm also going to add another group of zeros here because I know this is going to have a decimal expansion. This is a prime number. And I'm going to put my decimal point up here on the bar between the 2 and the double zeros. Now I need to find a square that goes into 2 as close as possible. That's going to be 1. And then I'm going to subtract that square here. I'm going to bring down my zeros. So I have 100 here. I'm going to double this number, 2, and I'm going to leave room for another digit to go in here. 2 goes into 10 5 times. If I put 5 here, that's going to be my second digit. We call this the trial division because it may not work. If I put the 5 here and the 5 here, I want to multiply this 25 by 5, which is 125, which is larger than the 100 that I have here. So I need to back this down by 1 unit. I'm going to have a 4 here and a 4 here. So I have to subtract 96 out from this 100. So then I end up with a 4. And I can do another group of 2 zeros, bring those zeros down, and I have 400 that I'm looking at here. I'm going to double this number, ignoring the decimal point. So I'm going to have 28 that I'm bringing down here. And again, I want to do a trial division. I want to see how close 28 goes into 40. And see if I add that digit into the 1 space and then multiply that out, if I can subtract that. So 28 will definitely go into 41 times. So I'm going to put 1 in the 1 space here. I'm going to put 1 up here, and I'm going to take the 1 times the 281, and I'm going to subtract that out. I have 119 here as my difference. Now I can bring down another set of zeros. So I'm looking at 11,900 here. And I'm going to double this number again. And I'm going to do leave the 1 space open. And we're going to try to fill in that 1 space again. So I have 282 here. And I'm looking to fill in this 1 space. Now my anticipation in this number is going to be 4 again, because I know this many digits of the square root of 2. This process is going to go on forever since we are taking the square root of a prime number that is an irrational number. Cheerful calculations.